This is why you need to thank a pigeon for some wartime victories. And yes, elephants too. Animals have played some wild roles in wars, like Sher Ami, the brave pigeon who carried crucial messages in World War I, saving nearly 200 lives. Then there were war dogs, sniffing out danger and rescuing soldiers. And let's not forget the mighty elephants. In ancient battles, they were living tanks, charging enemy lines and carrying supplies. These animals weren't just sidekicks, they were heroes. So next time you see a pigeon, give it some respect. Want more cool facts like this? Hit subscribe and join our awesome community.